Just to add lang, kasi we're very excited kasi sabi ko nga kay Coach Rio, the Manila Marathon presented by Samsung Galaxy is our biggest and most prestigious race. No? Why is that? Because ito nga ay qualifying to any major marathons. And to top that as well, ibinilig na po namin na we also give back to the running community by giving them a very generous cash prize. So we're actually offering a total of almost 700,000 for all winners. The top 242K male and female will get 100K. No? So first place for male and first place na female, 100K each. So yun, excited kami kasi yun yung goal ni Coach Rio really to develop talents. And the best motivation is for them to really achieve their best with something rewarding, kumbaga.
And to add on to that, yung national team po kasi hindi sila pwedeng tumakbo sa ibang races kapag hindi siya accredited ng PATAFA. So pili lang po talaga yung tatakbuhan nila. Kaya ako naman po ay galing din po ako sa national team before, kasabayan natin sila Eduardo Buenavista, sila Alan Balister sa Baguio. And syempre po, gusto ko rin pong mabigyan ng opportunity yung mga runners natin, lalo na sa national team, na at least magkaroon ng konting opportunity na kumita. And yun nga po, kasi kaya rin namin siya sinertify is para makatakbo po sila. Kasi si Eduardo Buenavista po ay kasamahan ko po ngayon sa UP. Coach po kami ng long distance. So siya po yung nagpo-coach ng mga long distance. Kaya malapit po at saka nakapagbigay ng information na kapag sumasali sila palagi, so maaaring magkaroon ng injury. Kaya ito po yung parang premium race na pwede nilang salihan na ma-credit as kanilang parang performance-based na trial po nila. Tapos siyempre po yung pinaka main objective nung aming Galaxy Manila Marathon is basically to promote sports tourism. We really, one of our objective is how we can help. And nakita po namin yung data, marami pong runners from different cities and provinces. Cebu, Davao, Iloilo, Bacolod, and then sa northern part in Mindanao. And meron po kaming 16 countries na pupunta dito. So, siguro po banggitin ko dito yung yung ibang mga pangalan So, yung 16 countries po, ito po yung composed. Meron pong taga Japan, USA, Singapore, UK, Canada, Malaysia, China, South Korea, Kenya, France, Poland, Switzerland, and marami pa pong iba. So 16 different countries po yung mag-participate. So bibigyan po natin sila ng magandang opportunity kasi invite natin sila doon sa first wave. So para at least makasabay nila yung ating mga
magandang tingnan.
Foreigners po tayo.
Yes po, meron po.
Wow.
Over
So,
almost 300 of them.
300.
So,
Are they qualified to avail of yung Sydney slots?
Yes po.
Para pang next year qualify. Kaya sila nandito or
Ay, hindi pa po natin ito sir in-announce. Actually, first time namin ito i-announce dito.
Oh,
So, hindi po nila alam.
So hindi pa nila.
Yes po. So, pero babanggitin din po namin sa kanila bago mag-start. Basta pasok po sila dun sa age category. So, bibilangin lang po namin kung ilan yung available slots and then i-communicate naman na lang namin sa kanila if nakakuha sila nung opportunity.
It's in itself already, it's an international race, but ang plan talaga namin ni Coach Rio is really to put the Manila Marathon, the Galaxy Manila Marathon, in the world calendar, in the world map. That seeded international runners will join. Kasi itong tumatakbo, we assume they are leisure runners. Yung pumunta lang, just to experience the country, parang runcation to vacation. But in the future, we're really working hard. Kaya we're establishing this gold standard and world-class standards para we can invite yung mga runners na mabibilis here in our country.
Talking about international, sirs, is there a chance that Manila can become one of the majors sa running? Is there a chance? No?
Okay,
looking forward or in the future, meron bang chance?
As I mentioned to you po, part po ako ng candidacy team ng Sydney Marathon back in 2020 hanggang ngayon. So first year po namin ngayon na part part siya ng World Marathon Majors. So, to be honest po, nakita ko po yung checklist. Kung ano yung mga requirements para makapasa ka.
Ilan tayo?
Medyo mahirap pong makapasok
Sa AIMS.
sa World Marathon Major. Medyo mahirap po kasi number one, in-identify po nila yung mga places kung saan po sila pupunta. So number one, una po sa Asia, meron po talaga silang nilulook na dalawang location, which is existing ang Japan. Ang second is tinitingnan nila is China, which is Shanghai. So I think by 2027, if makuha nila yung standard, baka makapasok sila. And then sa Africa, gusto nilang magkaroon ng isang representation dahil ang mga runners natin ay nasa, karamihan na malalakas ay nasa Africa. So yung Cape Town po. So Cape Town, if pumasa po sila this year, maaari na po silang makasama as number 8 next year. Yes, so meron po mga standard. Unang standard po na nakita ko doon na maaaring maintindihan natin lahat is yung number of people who will be cheering during the race. So meron po silang count. Kung natatandaan niyo po, ang Singapore Marathon po ay naging candidacy din, no, ng World Marathon Major back in 2, 3, 4 years ago. Isa po yun sa requirements, no. Pangalawa po na requirements ay yung weather. Yung weather po kasi sa atin ay hindi po tanggap doon sa standard ng mga national, ng mga elite runners. Meron po kasi silang point system din na kinukuha. So kapag mainit, medyo hindi po nila mai-hit yung target nila. So baka bumaba yung kanilang rankings, no? And yun po isa sa pinakamahirap yung weather. Kaya kung matatandaan niyo po, yung Singapore Marathon, ginawa po nila to nung candidacy date nila ng gabi. Para po, kaya lang medyo mainit po talaga. Pangatlo po is yung budget. Meron po kasi siyang membership fee and it's a massive amount. So, I don't think kaya namin siya if walang support ng government. Yung amin pong Sydney Marathon, maswerte lang po kami dahil yung government ng Sydney, particularly NSWP, sila po yung nag-support sa amin na maging part, kasi gusto talaga nilang maging part yung Sydney Marathon sa World Marathon Major. So, to answer po yung question nyo ng isahan, medyo mahirapan po tayo. Opo, yun po yung sagot. Kaya ang ginagawa po namin is hoping po, no? Actually, meron kaming, kung napansin niyo po yung post namin, meron po kaming Philippine Marathon Major. So, it's locally the same. Kasi po nung na-acquire po namin yung company namin sa Australia na nag-organize nga po ng Sydney Marathon back in 2020, one of our objectives is to create our own marathon major in Asia Pacific. Yun yung plan talaga namin. Hindi siya nangyari dahil nagkaroon po kami ng opportunity na maging part ng World Marathon Major. So kinausap ko po yung partner ko sa Australia na itutuloy ko po yun, but dito muna sa Pilipinas. So para din mabigyan natin ng opportunity yung mga runners natin since hindi naman lahat makaka-travel. So at least locally, maipa-experience natin. And then pangalawa, magpo-promote natin yung sports tourism kasi magta-travel po sila kahit locally. So we want to showcase yung ating, ang in-announce na po namin, meron po tayong Iloilo, meron po tayong Davao, CDO, tapos meron pa po kami isang i-announce sa Visayas, siguro in few weeks, no? But ito pong Manila Marathon is part. And then yung Philippine Marathon namin, which is Ayala Philippine Marathon, which is February 22. And then yung One Clark Marathon, next year po yun, naka-announce na po rin yun ng September 20. Opo. At saka po yung TRA natin, National Finals. So yung National Finals ng TRA will be part of the Philippine Marathon Major. So total of 8 races po ito. Yung dalawa hindi pa po namin na-announce. But magkaroon po pa ng additional ng Mindanao at saka po ng Visayas.
Yes.